So let's talk about a badass hard hat setup. It should have 5 things in it. Number one, as I change my code, it should deploy it to chain in development in real time. Number two, it should save my contract addresses and EBIs in a file so I can later retrieve them. If I have a UI, the changes should show up in real time. When I want to deploy to production, it should just be one step, and to verify the contracts, again one step. Okay, enough said, let me show you a demo. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run a local chain, and I'm going to run my deploy command. This deploy command will watch my code. As it changes, it will in real time deploy it to the chain. So let's go ahead and change this code. I'm going to change it from hello world to hello. We can see that the deploy command detected the change, compiled, and deployed it to my chain. And this contract address in ABI is saved over here. We can see that the contract address is B9D9 and the ABI is right here. Let's go ahead and make another change. Again, we can see that the deploy command detected the changes, compiled and deployed, and the new address should be here, 2538, and new ABI is here as well. Now, next thing is let's bring in a UI for this code. I'm going to be using Sidekick. So I'm going to upload this address file into Sidekick so I can build a UI for it. All right, here we see we have 2 functions. We have 2 items over here. So let's write a third item. And again, my code is being watched, deployed in real time, and I can see the new item shows up over here. Okay, now let's talk about deployments. When I want to deploy my code to production, it is as simple as typing in npm run deploy, and I can pick which environment I want to deploy to. When it comes to verifying the code, again, it's just one step. I just type in npm run verify, and I pick which environment I want to verify it on. And again, every time it's deploying to any environment, it's going to save the addresses in the appropriate file for that environment. And if you want to use this code, you can go to this repo, clone it, and this code is available, so you can set up your own badass hard hat setup.